a hoe. And let me see it low. You want this dude now? Take it to me. I take a leg your ass off. Kitchen cooking pies with my baby guy. And I can ride with my baby. I can let you wanna get wild with my baby guy. And I can ride with my baby. Kitchen cooking pies.
Never tell them where I'm about to be. I'll break down on them before I have a nigga running me. Talk your shit, fight your lip. Ask for a call while you ride that dick. While you really ain't never got him fucking for a thing. He already made his mind up before he came. Now get your boots, hang your coat.